To tracking football with D. Get very Jara Parks here. We went to Jara Parks game here.
Striker Parks. No. First of all, let me thanks all Orlando Pirates supporters.
Yes.
And football supporters.
Yes.
To come and fill up Orlando Stadium.
First game of the season.
First game of the season. That was a nice attendance.
Yes.
Exactly. I salute the football supporters.
Yeah,
and to allow me to compliment for the season our teammates, players, Orlando Pirates management,
yes,
coaching staff,
yes.
You see, if the team give us these nice results,
yes,
just results. Ayikho into esingayikhuluma.
Yes.
Kumnandi ukuthi mawuzo ekhaya. When you starting at home.
Yes.
If pressure we absorb.
Yes.
When into simple at home, get maximum points. Like today, 3 points utholile.
Yeah.
Uhamba ne 2 goals.
Yes.
Nayo ke iMilford behave kahle.
Yes.
Yeah, behave kahle. Yazi ukuthi no. La ekhaya kumele bazi ukuthi no. Yonke into ihamba ngendlela. Abaphindele emuva emakhaya because
yes,
I believe akubona abantu baseSoweto only. Laba ebebeze uzo support iPirates.
Yes.
Abanye basuka bo Cape Town, abanye KZN, abanye Limpopo, abanye Mpumalanga, Northwest,
Free State.
Actually nje nationally.
Yes.
To come and witness igame yokuqala.
Yes.
When you drive back home, uNkulunkulu abe nabo babe safe.
Yes.
Impilo zabo sibaleke kakhulu kwenze ukuthi even next week we will make a sold out again because
MTN 8
again we are the defending champions.
Yes, of MTN 8. Yes.
We supposed to be our first game. We should be win that game because we supposed to defend MTN 8.
Yes, it's our trophy, that one.
Exactly.
Yes.
I think right now it is very important to unite Orlando Pirates supporters so that must believe ekubadlali bethu.
Yes.
The support is
over support.
Yonke into izohamba smooth. More special you know masabalandeli we are player number 12.
Yes.
If as a player number 12 we have to play our role.
Our part.
Yeah, because ukkomplaina ukhala is not your part.
Yes.
Your part is to come and fill
and
up
cheer them
and give these players a support.
Yes.
While making mistakes, clap your hands.
They will learn.
Yeah, then you have to stop let your good.
Yes.
Yeah, because they are kill moral
confidence here you play.
Yeah, because you take the job for the coach.
Yes.
You wave the hands of which coach akakabe kokuloma plan ukuthi uzoshintsha. But musumnikeza that pressure. You confuse the coach.
Yeah,
that's why I ask all Orlando Pirates supporters, please. I understand kunalento eshayayo. Yeah, gambling.
Yes.
Betway is give us tough time.
Yes.
Because some of the supporters they are coming here to watch the game.
Yes.
At the same time they are betting. If it was some because uluza focus.
Yes.
Akunese bheka iticket lakhe ukuthi yena
uyadliwa.
Yabo? Agcina ngasenze lento yokusupport. That's why ngithi no.
Baba emotional.
Yeah, abalandeli asibambisane. Sikhumbule ukuthi le team siyayithanda deep down.
This is the biggest team in the country, my
since 1937.
Yes.
Na Escotini le ndawo yazala abo Shintsha-Guluva.
Yeah.
Kaizer Town.
Ojomosono.
Troublemaker.
Yes.
Ngingabala ngithini.
Yes.
This is a blessing stadium.
Yes.
Actually, they have a lot of history
in this stadium.
In this stadium.
Yes.
That's why love of Orlando Pirates is very important. This is a real calling.
Yes.
That's why I wanna all opposition teams supporters they are coming and witness happiness of entertaining football from Orlando Pirates. Yeah. That's why I say it's very important ukuthi silungise izinto ngendlela efanele. Senze izinto sithobele yonke into. But I will ask you Ticket Pro. Online ticket.
Yes.
Yes. Today was a headache.
Yes.
Online ticket abazame ukwazi indaba zabo because asiyifuni
Stampede.
istampede sa 2001 e-Ellis Park salimaza abantu siyayikhumbula lonto.
Yes.
Our lives is very 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 important.
Yes.
Abadlale irole yokuthi si saved.
Yes.
Yabona i-online ticket isiphazise kakhulu. Let's hope ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates abaka Ticket Pro
Yes.
bazoyisota out indaba ye-online ticket.
Yes, I saw it. Because the same thing happened. You remember the last game we played against Durban City, Lapani,
Yes,
Orlando?
yes,
Thousands of people were outside and they had legitimate tickets.
Yes.
Yes.
And masebe forced abengena, it look like bad wrong.
Yes.
And it's not wrong.
They paid.
They pay.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why let's hope good. Our management, even stadium management, you have to angenelele.
Yes.
Izinto kumele zibe simple. Asisafuna ukubona abalandeli kuthiwa kwenzeke banyathelene. Asisafuna ukuyibona, sifuna ukuthi abalandeli abeze bejabulile baphume stadium bejabulile babuyele ekhaya bejabulile.
Bajabulile.
Yes.
Aye. Jara Bucks, thank you so much. See you again next week, Lapayana, Orlando Amstel Arena.
Kithi mapakania ekhaya, was at home. Was a pirate.
Bo papa papa
Always. Was a pirate always. Thank you very much.
Thank you so